is Ken Burns. I'm the chairman of the flight department here at Embry-Riddle. And I want to welcome you to the oldest, safest, most prestigious flight training organization there is on the planet. Throughout the next 4 years, you're going to transition into a professional aviator, and we're going to do everything that we can to make sure that your dreams come true here. Embry-Riddle is a special place, and we're very happy to have you join us into our Embry-Riddle family. In order to make sure that you get off on the right foot here at Embry-Riddle, this short video is going to go through some steps you need to do during the orientation process to make sure that we can get you into the aircraft as soon as possible and start you on your journey to joining the ranks as a professional aviator. Again, welcome to Embry-Riddle. Really look forward to meeting you all, and have a great day.
Embry-Riddle welcomes people from all over the world who come here to receive the best professional flight training available in collegiate aviation today. If you've been accepted into our program, you've already successfully satisfied Embry-Riddle's flight admissions requirements. But before we can begin your training, you must also satisfy the FAA's requirements. Be sure that you bring all of the required paperwork mentioned in this video with you on your first day of orientation. For U.S. citizens, those requirements are very easy to comply with. All you need to do is provide proof of U.S. citizenship. You can do that by one of the following 4 ways. Provide a U.S. birth certificate and a valid, unexpired, government-issued photo ID. Provide a U.S. naturalization certificate and a valid, unexpired, government-issued photo ID. Provide a U.S. certificate of birth abroad and a valid, unexpired, government-issued photo ID. Or provide a U.S. certificate of citizenship and a valid, unexpired, government-issued photo ID. You may use the following government-issued photo IDs: a passport card, a driver's license, state ID, or a military ID. All documents must be originals. Photocopies, even certified copies, are not acceptable. The current government-issued photo identification document must match your full legal name as it appears on your birth certificate. Make sure your photo ID is still valid. Expired photo IDs will not be accepted. Birth certificates from U.S. territories are treated as U.S. birth certificates for the purpose of proving U.S. citizenship. For those students that are not U.S. citizens, you must comply with the U.S. Department of Homeland Security notification requirements. All non-U.S. citizens must register online with the Alien Flight Student Program, administered by the Transportation Security Administration. Students are required to submit a training application, fingerprints, a valid passport, and student visa or permanent resident alien card along with a processing fee. We encourage you to create your account with the Alien Flight Student Program as soon as possible. You can do that by going to the following website. Click on Create New Student Account and follow all the steps. The email address you use will be used by the AFSP for all communications with you. Keep this account active. You can complete the last step prior to your arrival on campus, which is to begin a training request on screen 7. The single-engine aircraft is Cessna 172. The multi-engine aircraft is Diamond DA-42. A student can register for flight courses and begin training as soon as the TSA approves the training request. The training application will be completed upon arrival at Embry-Riddle. Some advanced flight courses may require a waiting period of up to 30 days. If Embry-Riddle receives any directive from the DHS or the TSA, the student may be administratively withdrawn from classes. All students, regardless of citizenship, are required to hold a current first or second class Federal Aviation Administration medical certificate. Prior to visiting an aviation medical examiner or AME, you should visit medexpress.faa.gov, where you will be prompted to create a MedExpress account. Once you have an account, you will be able to access the online application. Be sure to use your full legal name, just as it appears on your birth certificate if you are a domestic student, or your passport if you are an international student. Once your application has been submitted, MedExpress will send you a confirmation email. Take the confirmation number to the medical examiner's office, and they can use that to access your application. By using MedExpress, you can expedite your visit and reduce the chance of an error being made when filling out your paperwork. Aviation medical examiners can be found at the following website: Before you leave the AME's office, make sure that the class of certificate you applied for appears at the top of the medical certificate and that your full legal name is spelled out correctly, and confirm your birth date is accurate. The little extra time it takes to verify all the information has been properly entered can save you a lot of time and effort down the road trying to correct any errors. Additionally, you will not be allowed to enroll in flight laboratories without an FAA medical certificate, so get your medical certificate as early as possible and be certain all of the information on it is correct. For those students enrolling in FA 121, you must have a student pilot certificate in your possession. To get one, you must complete an application through the Integrated Airman Certification and Rating Application website, or by paper using FAA Form 8710-1 and submit it to a Flight Standards District office, an FAA-designated pilot examiner, an airman certification representative associated with a Part 141 flight school, or a certificated flight instructor. The authorized individual will process your application and submit the required documents to the Airman Certification Branch. Remember, in order for your application to be filled out and submitted, you must have your birth certificate if you are a domestic student or your passport if you are an international student. Once the application is submitted and reviewed by the Airman Certification Branch, the student pilot certificate will be mailed to the address provided by you on the application. The FAA estimates it will take 3 weeks to receive your student pilot certificate. That time is subject to change depending on the number of requests received by the Airman Certification Branch. We highly recommend you get your student pilot certificate prior to arriving at Embry-Riddle, but for those students that are not able to do so, you will have the opportunity to apply for a student pilot certificate with one of Embry-Riddle's Part 141 Airman Certification representatives on campus. For those students holding an FAA pilot certificate of private or above, you will need to present that certificate when you check in at orientation. If you are in possession of a pilot certificate from a country outside of the United States, you must be issued an FAA certificate based on your foreign pilot certificate in order to fly here. An FAA letter of verification and authenticity is required for conversion and issuance up through the commercial pilot certificate. To help you with this process, please contact Tammy McLean in Flight Data and Certification as early as possible, as it could take up to 3 months for you to receive your FAA letter of verification. Tammy will assist you in completing the process and ensure that you meet with an FAA representative who may issue you a pilot certificate based on your foreign pilot certificate once the letter is received. Tammy can be contacted using the following information. We hope all the information provided will give you a better idea of what you have to do to expedite your flight training here at Embry-Riddle. Showing up prepared and with all the proper documentation will streamline the process and get you in an airplane as quickly as possible. Should you have any questions about what you just viewed, please contact Flight Data and Certification at 386-323-8073. Someone there should be able to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for choosing Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University as your launching point for an exciting and rewarding career as a professional pilot. You will be joining an elite group of pilots from all around the world that are proud to say they are Embry-Riddle Eagles.